Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sacramento, California, where the local time is approximately 11:05 a.m. We'll be taxiing to the gate for the next couple minutes, so please remain in your seats. Keep your seatbelt fastened securely around you, and keep your carry-on items stowed until the captain does turn off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, remember to check around your seating area, seat pockets, and overhead bins for all your personal items. Be careful when you do open the overhead bins, as the contents may have shifted during the flight. And then once inside the terminal building, connecting gate information will be provided by information signs, television monitors, or a United representative. On behalf of United, the Star Alliance Network, and especially your Newark and Cleveland in-flight crew, would like to tell you how much we appreciate and would like to thank you for choosing United today. If this is your home, welcome home to you. If you didn't reach your final destination yet, get there safely. We hope we see you again soon on another United flight. Stay safe until we do. Your cell phones are not permitted. Good morning.
Oh, there's quite a bit. Exactly. United found my that was it. Hold on. I don't know how far we are.
I'm blending. You know what? So what do I?
Flight 17.